The box is way bigger than I expected. No branding, no padding, just cardboard, tape, and a promise of something serious inside. Pop it open, and there it is. Loosely packed, no foam, no inserts. Just the wok, sitting in a sea of empty space, wrapped in clear plastic like it doesn't need protection. And honestly, it probably doesn't. This isn't some fragile, decorative piece. This pan was built to take heat, get seasoned, and live over open flame. Tucked inside the wrap is a folded care sheet. Plain, direct, no fluff. Just enough to say, this thing's all business. Even without touching it, you can tell it's not light. That kind of weight doesn't just survive heat, it holds on to it. Cut through the plastic and grab the handle. It's cool to the touch, but solid. No wiggle, no hollow feeling. The whole pan comes out in one clean lift, and yeah, you feel it immediately. This isn't stamped tin. It's heavy, forged, and it wants to cook. 3 feet out and it still dominates the frame. That wide, curved silhouette, unmistakable. This is classic wok geometry. Deep walls, broad contact, full control. I shift my grip around the handle. It's oversized, like it was built for open fire stir fry. You feel connected to it, balanced but bold. Flip it over, and the bottom tells the story. Flat enough for modern cooktops, but you can tell. This pan would be just as comfortable on a flame or a grill. And even though I'm holding it out here for the camera, my arm's getting a workout. Set it down and you can hear it. That dense ring when it touches the table. It's not just cookware, it's a tool. And it's ready. Separate order, separate box, which makes sense. This lid isn't just an accessory, it's an upgrade. Crack the box open, and right away you'll see it's better protected. Cardboard spacers keeping it suspended. No rattling around. I lift the tempered glass and aluminum frame out, still wrapped in plastic. And once it's unwrapped, it's clean. Minimalist. No handle installed yet, but the mounting bracket is solid and centered. The aluminum rim feels lightweight but firm. No flex, no sharp edges. And the glass? Thick enough to feel serious, but clear enough to showcase whatever's sizzling underneath. I set it on the wok to check the fit, and it drops right into the outer lip, like it was made for it. Even without the handle, you can tell. The profile is sleek, the seal is confident, and it finishes the look. The last pieces of the puzzle, a 17-inch stainless steel ladle and spatula. No frills here, just long reach and solid build, made to keep your hands clear of the heat while you work. Set them beside the wok and lid, and the whole kit comes together. Balanced, ready, and built for real cooking. Up close, you can see the welds. Clean, solid, and exactly where they should be. The handle's locked in with 2 heavy screws. No rivets, no shortcuts, just a straightforward, serious way to build a wok. And if you ever want to season it in the oven, those 2 screws make it simple. Handle off, pan in, job done. From the top, the curve is flawless. Deep enough for tossing, wide enough for searing. The steel surface is smooth, but ready to take on layers of seasoning, turning darker and more non-stick with every cook. And here's the lid with the handle installed. No instructions, but they did one better. In the bag with the hardware came a second set, already assembled, so you can see exactly how it goes together. Would I consider a different wok? Not with an electric range. If I were cooking over gas, maybe. I'd still go Yosukata, but in a lighter, round-bottom version. For now, I'm happy with the weight. It's going to hold heat steady when it's time to whip up a serious meal for a serious crowd. This is the Yosukata 13.5-inch blue carbon steel wok set. Built tough, built to last, and exactly what I needed. We actually bought this, and I'm glad we did.